Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. How you guys are doing, and I hope you enjoyed your Diwali. Today I'm sharing my fish cutlet recipe, and this I have made from canned tuna. Honestly speaking, I don't prefer much of the canned sea products because they are prone to have high levels of sodium and mercury, but it's okay if you can have once in a while. So without wasting much of the time, let's start. So the ingredients for the cutlet I have taken are 2 cans of tuna. So as you can see, it contains water, so I'll just show you up the approximately amount. So this is the tuna, chunk like tuna in water, and net weight is 5 ounce and dry weight is 4 ounce. It means it contains 1 ounce of water and rest is fish, so you need to squeeze out the water before cooking. Then I have taken 3 to 4 chopped red onions, 3 large potatoes boiled. Then goes some spices, that is 1.5 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of jeera powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter cup of grated carrot, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 4 to 5 chopped green chilies, 3 to 4 curry leaves, oil both for frying and cooking, and salt. So the first step we need to do is squeeze out the excess water from the content. So as you can see in the video, I'm squeezing out all the water from the fish, so it may help you to bind the patty properly. Now I'm gonna heat up the oil in a pan. So here I have taken approximately 1 to 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Once the oil gets heated, I'm gonna add chopped onion, giving a good stir, and I'm gonna cook them until it gets translucent or light brown. So onions has become slightly translucent. Now I'm gonna add in chopped ginger, chopped green chilies, few curry leaves, and give it a good mix. Now at this point I'm gonna add some salt, so it may help in faster the cooking, and let it cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. So it's been 2 to 3 minutes. I'm gonna add in the grated carrot and combine them properly. Now you can see the carrots have become soft, and this time you can add in all the spices, that is garam masala, cumin powder, pepper powder and turmeric powder, and mix them well, and keep your flame medium to low. Once the masala has been well combined, add in the tuna. And then cook them for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. So now it's time to add in the potatoes. So I'll be adding mashed potatoes and mix them properly so that it gets incorporated with each other. Mashing the mixture properly and check the salt. If you feel less salt, then add in some according to your taste. And once it's done, turn off the flame. So once the mixture has been cooled, we need to make the cutlet, and for that I have taken the mixture, some breadcrumbs. So this is the homemade breadcrumbs, and this is brown bread, and I'm gonna cracking the 2 eggs in a small bowl. So we're gonna make the cutlet, we're gonna dip in the egg mixture, then I'm gonna roll it in the breadcrumbs. So first we're gonna roll all the cutlets, and at the end we're gonna fry them. So for that I'm gonna take 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of the cutlet mixture. I'm gonna roll them between my palms. You can grease your hand with a little oil. Give them any shape of your choice. It can be cylindrical, oval. And if you feel you are not able to bind them properly, add some boiled potatoes to it. Now dip it in the egg batter and roll them with the breadcrumbs. So now it's time to fry the cutlets. So as you can see, oil is hot, and the oil should not be in a high flame, it should be in medium to low flame. Now I'm gonna drop the cutlets one by one. Be careful. And I'm gonna fry them until it gets slight brown. Make sure your flame is in medium to high. So once the cutlet gets crispier and golden brown from the out, you can take out and place them in a paper towel. So the same way you need to fry 3 to 4 cutlets in a single batch. So this was a cutlet recipe. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please do try this at home and let me know your feedback in the comments below. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share. Till we meet with the next recipe, take care, bye bye, and love you all.